Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas. It's Santa, and I'm on the internet. Why? Because I'm here for the kids and all of us. Why, you can call me Santa Geek, the real Santa, or even Santa Live Now. Why, I'm never more than a click away at www.santalivenow.com. If you don't have a chimney or you live in an apartment, it's okay. Don't worry. Santa is very clever. Why, he knows his way around the entire world. I visit kids all over the place. It's amazing. In the cities, in the country. I know where every street and every house is. After all, I'm on the internet. I use Google Earth.